Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here, and if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I just noticed it's a little bit dark in here. It is quite dark outside now. Let's just see if this makes it, oh hello, this makes it too bright. A little bit. I feel like I've been radiated. Anyway, this is a little unboxing. So it's not a very big box. It is absolutely full of tape, which makes me kind of realise how hard it is to get into some of my parcels sometimes that I send out. Not that they're this bad. Anyway, while I'm struggling to get into this, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button or the notification bell, and hopefully you'll be informed when new videos pop up. And well, this is an order that I placed. I've had stuff from this company before, and it is for my shop, hobbyrocks.co.uk, and the goodies in this box, you'll be pleased to know, I ship worldwide. So if you haven't found it already, in the description box you'll find a link to my shop, as well as, this is very sharp so I'm going to move it, as well as links to my other channels and other bits and bobs. So straight away, this box has lots and lots of noodles. So I need quavers or noodles in the shape of S's. So I need to sort of make sure I don't make a complete mess in here. But oh, I thought that was just about to fly. Oh, it's going to happen, isn't it? Going to definitely happen. So first thing, now I did order a few of these, and these are little cases, little bags. There is a way in. Here we are. Oh, I love this colour, absolutely beautiful. Now there should be, bear with me a second, I'll be back. That's just the label. Accessory case. So we've got like a little key ring here. Not that you could, it's a gigantic key ring, wouldn't it? But look at that gorgeous, beautiful case. That is lovely. So if we undo it, inside there should be zip compartments and everything. Now I got these just to try. I figured, you know, if worst comes to the worst, I'll keep them for myself, but I've got these noodles that are going to go everywhere. I've got a purple one, and I've got this gorgeous teal one. Should we get it out? Because it shines too much on the cellophane. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? Look at those colours. I think I got 3 of them to to try, and another one of the purple. I like them, so they're fine even if I keep them myself. So I'm going to just deliberately spill the noodles out onto the table because I can't get what's inside. I don't really want them on the floor, but okay. Now this is new. These are little panda tape measures. I've got a little cute panda on the front, and I've got a few of those to try. Let's get one out. I like to get one out. Oh, that sounds bad. See what it's like up close. If I can get the thing open. There we go. We're in. And we are in. Here we are. So we've got this cute little guy on there, this panda. And we have inches and centimetres. And then we've got a button on the back. And it all goes back in. I like this one. I like the cute panda. So I've got a few of those. Not masses. The way I look at things is when I order them, if I don't like them that much for selling, then they go in people's orders. Got another one. And oh, mess. Now I ordered some more of these because these have been going very, very fast, and these are the little yarn ball stitch markers. And I do empty some packets out, and I always send off a few to people in their orders. But they are those cute little yarn ball stitch markers. And for those of you who are wondering, I haven't made any stitch markers just yet. I will get round to doing it, but so far I haven't. Now I ordered some more of these because these were selling quite fast, and these are the gigantic, massive size crochet hooks. I got 12s and 15s, I believe. So I have still got a couple in stock. So let's tape them together. That's a bit ungainly. So yeah, we've got the purple ones, I think are the 12s, and the red ones are the 15s. So I've got a few more of those. Just knock the noodles around. What else have we got? It's like a lucky dip. Putting your hands in. Now I'd sold out of these, so I got some more because these are absolutely brilliant value. And you get 3 darning needles, but the metal ones, and they come in various kind of colours. But they are really, I've got these myself. Last time I ordered them, I kept some for myself, and I think I was down to my last one. I'd already sold them, I think. Now this is what I'm really, wow, huge compared to mine. I wanted to get some, people have been asking me for unicorn scissors. Now mine are tiny, they're this big, but these ones are much bigger, but they are really beautiful and shiny and a unicorn. And the point is the scissors, they are much bigger than mine. Those are cool, I like those. So we got guitars, we've got stalks, we've got butterflies, we've got gold stalks, we've got a multitude of things, and now we've got unicorns. Right, it's all going to landslide. I've got another one of those. What's this? Oh, and more unicorns. Got a feeling then that might be it, because here is my bill at the end of all that, my invoice. So I was really excited to get these. They are gigantic compared to mine. You might have seen mine when I do my tutorials and stuff. The whole thing is this big, so they are miniature versions of these, but it's good to have larger ones, I have to say. I have got one pair that is a little bit smaller than these, and I use them for just about everything. So they are cool. I can't wait to upload those. And I love these. These are sweet. I love little pandas. So that gives us some more different ones. More crochet hooks. Fabulous. Well, that's it. And I also ordered this for me. Now this I ordered from eBay. And the reason being, I've got my little guitar ones handy. I mislaid. Oh, they've really done a number on this one. Oh, how am I supposed to get in? I don't know. Okay, we'll kind of go along here because I think there's a join. Try not to cut my arm off. Well, a bit difficult with these scissors, but you know what I mean. Don't want to cut anything apart from the tape. There we go. So yeah, I have loads and loads of these, but I wanted to get some more, and I hope they're not all long. Okay, we're nearly in, I think. Maybe baby. Go upwards. There we are. Now I'm not sure if this is almost. Yeah, here we go. Now I've got a big batch. Put the scissors down. A big batch of. Pick the scissors up. This isn't for the shop. This is for me. This particular one, I ordered these off of eBay. Those are all brand new and for the shop, and these are mine. Now I've got tons and tons of knitting needles, and I've said before to everybody that I don't like the new ones with the really, really long sharp points. I prefer the dull points of old needles. So there was this whole pack of different sizes in various lengths. I like the shorter, but sometimes you need a bit longer. So all of these were as much as buying one pair from someone else. So I figured I would just get them because I'm always losing them, and I can never find the one I want or the corresponding one or whatever. So I know a long time ago I got rid of all mine, and then I ended up with my mum's, and they're around somewhere, but I thought I'd get a few more. Now I don't really do very, very thick knitting. I do have some thick knitting needles anyway, but I can always get more sizes if I need them. But I just wanted to get a big old wad of needles that were old school arrows and millwards from the past, because when I learnt, that's what I learnt on, and I prefer those, I have to say. So put that in the box, and that's it. So I've been doing some knitting. What is that in my box? I've been doing some knitting tutorials over on Hobby Rocks, which is a channel, not just the shop. I have a channel called Hobby Rocks, and that's where I've been doing my knitting tutorials, and I've done about 5 or 6 so far, and I will keep going when I get a bit more opportunity to make some more videos. It's got a little hectic around here lately, so I've not been doing so many of anything. But one thing's for sure, I'm going to be uploading these bits and bobs to my website over the next day or so, and they'll be on and live and ready to purchase, and I hope you like them. I really, really like these. I'm going to keep a pair for myself. I always do that. But they are so nice, as I will be. We can get a pair out and have a looky up close and see what they look like out of the packaging. Look at that, aren't they lovely? Really like those. They're stunning, aren't they? The one I've got, as I say, is about this big from start to finish. They're ultra shiny. But I love this rainbow kind of. It reminds me of puddles when there's oil in the water, and you get that oil slick kind of appeal, and that is very, very much like that. So a few people, because they'd seen mine, and have asked, have you got the unicorns? Can you get the unicorn ones? But these ones I like the size of, definitely. So this one is my pair. Ba-ding. I like you. Very sharp point though. Good for getting in those stitches, and if you've got a seam to undo as well. Anyway, thank you for watching. Stay safe everyone. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one tomorrow. Bye for now.